Alright, y'all, what is going on? Welcome back to Touring Midwest. I'm Andrew. This is my YouTube channel. And we're going for a little ride, a little fall ride up in here. It's right about the October 19th. Got Dominic in the lead, followed by Al, Charles to my right. With his son Charlie. Oh man, it is so windy today. Just got done with work, and my work truck was all over the road, just getting blown all over the place. But anyway, we decided to go for a little supper ride, so we're gonna head to Alden, Minnesota, kind of take the roundabout back way to get there, and check out Mine Again's. Dominic was just telling me the story. The guy owned the place for years, and he ended up selling it. So it was another place for a while, another name rather, and he got it back, so he called it Mine Again's, which is kind of an interesting story, I thought. Very clever. And that's Bruno's Corn Dogs right there. Probably the best corn dogs around this area. They set up out at the fair and stuff, and lately they've been setting up here, so that's pretty cool. I mean, we've got our choices of corn dogs at the fair. I mean, there's usually at least several different food trucks set up. And hands down, that's the best corn dog out there. I don't know what makes theirs better than everybody else's, but they are the best. So if you're ever in the Elberly area and you see them set up, just be sure to stop by and get one, and tell them that Touring Midwest sent you. I've always felt comfortable and confident on this motorcycle. It just handles good. It's just straight and solid. I really like it. I wish it was paid off, but I really like it. Alright, well, let's lay down on track here and listen to some tunes and just enjoy the ride in like fast speed. Yeah, buddy. Well, that was pretty good. I would recommend going to mine again. So I had a bacon cheeseburger and it was quite delicious. Big burger. Little Charlie, he couldn't even finish his. Stay safe out there as always. Have a good one. We'll catch you in the next video.